Hello everyone, this is Project 1 and I'm going to go through each one of the specifications just to make sure I got everything. So on the entry page, visiting/wiki/title, where title is the title of encyclopedia entry, should render a page that displays the contents of that encyclopedia entry. And if it doesn't exist, the user should be presented with an error page indicating that the requested page was not found. So we go home, if I type in wiki/Django, I'm taken straight to the Django page. If I type in a page that doesn't exist, for example Java, then I get a page that tells me that there's no entry found. Next is index page. Update index.html such that instead of merely listing the names of all the pages in the encyclopedia, the user can click on any entry name to be taken directly to that entry page. So if we go home, you can click on any of these links and you're taken straight to the page. Alright. Search. Allow the user to type a query into the search box in the sidebar to search for an encyclopedia entry. If the query matches the name of an encyclopedia entry, the user should be redirected to that entry's page. If it doesn't match, then the user should be taken to a search results page, and clicking on any of the entry names on the search results page should take the user to that entries page. So if I type in Django, it should be taken straight to the Django page. If I type in as per their example, I'll use Py, and I'm given Python. If I click on this, I'm taken straight to the Python page. Let's go back. Next is new page. Clicking create new page in the sidebar should take the user to a page where they can create a new encyclopedia entry. They can enter the title, click a button to save their page. When their page is saved, if an encyclopedia already exists, the user should be presented with an error message. Otherwise, the encyclopedia entry should be saved to disk and the user should be taken to the new entries page. So we'll try a couple different things. So we'll create a new page and we'll call it Harry Potter, and we'll use readme markup. Harry Potter is a wizard. So once I click submit, I'm taken straight to the page. If I create a new page and I call it Harry Potter again with some other content, submit that, it tells me that Harry Potter already exists. Okay. So on edit page, on each entry page, the user should be able to click a link to be taken to a page where the user can edit that entry's markdown to content in a text area. The text area should be pre-populated with the existing markdown content of the page. The user should be able to click a button to save the changes. Once the entry is saved, the user should be redirected back to the entries page. So let's go to Harry Potter as an example. Let's edit this page. I just want to add some more information, like he's a wizard who went to school at Hogwarts. Okay, click submit. I'm taken right to that page with my edits still here. Clicking random page in the sidebar should take the user to a random encyclopedia entry. So if I click random page, I'm taken to different entries. Markdown to HTML conversion. On each entry's page, any markdown content in the file and the entry file should be converted to HTML before being displayed to the user. I use the Python Markdown 2 package, so that's why for each one of these pages there's bold lettering, and there's also hyperlinks for some of these, and some of these even appear in bold, and that wouldn't happen without the markup. So that concludes Project 1. Thank you for listening.